So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As always, before we begin, and as you can see on screen, go get some free money, go down description below, sign up, get deposit, do little trade, get loads of bonuses, use bonuses to trade with, get money, get more money, get cash back, withdraw cash back, have money, do things, go description, CCEX particularly good, sign up KYC deposit for an instant $100 cash back, definitely worth doing, go and check it out. Okay, then Dogecoin. As we can see, we've been trickling down, continuing to trickle down. Bullish divergence is coming in at the lows. Big bullish price action coming in over the past few days. Just basically because Bitcoin's been bouncing. You can see Bitcoin here looking like it wants to continue up. We obviously had this big weekly gap here that has never broke. So far, we have closed down below this monthly fair value gap though, which we're going to retest once we hit this daily here. Right now, Bitcoin, I think, is bullish at least to that area, and then we'll reassess. But right now, because of that, Dogecoin and the rest of the altcoin space getting some relief. You can see on the hourly time frame here, Bitcoin playing silly buggers. Grinding to the upside, starting to look bullish, coming down, sweeping liquidity, but not all of it. And then another continuation to the upside. I don't know if this is 50%. Let me just see. No, it's more like the 618 than anything. It's not really anything, to be honest. It was a bit of a weird bounce that we bounced in this really random area. I think this was largely just due to the traditional markets of the Nasdaq at that point having a bounce at that particular time. But anyway, as we can see quite clearly here for Bitcoin, we're basically in a situation where we are just looking like we want to be bullish, but we just don't know until we inverse a few more daily fair value gaps to the upside. And as a result, Dogecoin getting some momentary relief, but still bearish overall, as we can see. Pretty obviously just grinding down right now and waiting for Bitcoin to give it the signal to bounce. And we've got some very obvious daily fair value gaps. You can see this one that we've inversed, reinversed again, which is the sign of bad price action in my opinion. But you can see here, we've got these daily fair value gaps here. This is the next target for me for Dogecoin, back up towards 17 cents there. And we've got that huge, obviously the huge one we created on the 10th of October with that liquidation cascade, where, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, lots of taps into this. This is your main target. For now, we're just waiting to see whether or not Bitcoin can continue to bounce. And that will affect Dogecoin. Right now, Dogecoin beholden to Bitcoin as always. I still think this is going to hit $1 over the next 1, 2, 3 years. So I'm still averaging in 15 cents to $1. What is that, like a 6 or a 7x? Very happy with the bag that I've got. Very appreciative of this market. And I'm very happy to say that if we go up to $1, I'm going to be very happy indeed. So, as always, guys, please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below.